In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in the Hostinger website builder. This is a simple way to give visitors an easy method to reach out through your website, whether you want inquiries, bookings, RSVP responses, or general messages. We'll be working directly inside the Hostinger website builder, and I'll walk you through placing the form, opening its settings, and customizing how it looks and behaves so it fits your site nicely. Before you start, make sure you can access the website you want to edit inside your Hostinger account, because everything begins from the builder itself. There's also one small point that can trip people up. The form option you'll use may be labeled a little differently than expected, but once you know what to look for, it's very straightforward. To begin, go to Hostinger, open your Websites area, and choose the site you want to work on. From there, click the option to edit the website so the website builder opens. This is your main editing workspace where you can add sections, adjust design elements, and manage interactive features like forms. Once you're inside the builder, look for the Elements option. Click on that to open the panel that contains all the building blocks you can add to your page. This area is useful because it groups the available website features in one place, making it easy to find things like text, images, buttons, and forms. In the Elements panel, select Contact Form, which may appear as RSVP. This is the naming detail I mentioned at the start, and this is the option you'll use to add a contact form even if the label says RSVP. If you were expecting a more generic contact form title, that's completely normal, so don't let that slow you down. After selecting the form element, move the form into position on your page. Place it wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors. For example, many people add it to a contact page, near the bottom of a homepage, or inside a section meant for inquiries. Take a second here to position it carefully, because good placement can make the form easier to notice and use. You generally want enough surrounding space so the form doesn't feel crowded. With the form in place, click on Edit Form. This opens the settings area where you can tailor the form to match your needs. This is where the contact form becomes more than just a basic block on the page. From here, you can change the general settings. That includes the fields the form contains, which is important if you want to collect only the information you actually need. You can also adjust the button style, which helps the submit button match your branding or stand out clearly for visitors. In addition to that, you can change the overall style of the form so it blends in with the rest of your website design. There's also an animation option for when someone scrolls to that section, which can add a bit of movement and polish without changing the function of the form itself. As you make these edits, it helps to think from the visitor's perspective. Keep the form clean, easy to read, and visually consistent with the rest of the page. A well-styled form not only looks better but can also encourage more people to complete it. When you're done reviewing and adjusting the settings, click Close. That exits the form editing panel and brings you back to the main builder view, with your contact form now added and customized on the page. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.